I see some websites survive just using AI articles, still edited first before posting, not straight copy paste. Yeah, of course. There's still websites surviving that are like slamming exact match anchors for like 90% of their backlink profile. There's still websites surviving that are using like 50% PBN links. There's still websites surviving that are using lorem ipsum content, like Kyle Roof stuff, like Kyle Roof still has lorem ipsum stuff that's ranking. The question about all of this stuff is where it fits into like your risk tolerance for what you're building. So like, okay, yes, AI spam can work, but are you okay with losing that entire website that you're putting this on? Are you okay with the rankings for that going away forever? Are you okay with that business just not being there anymore? All the backlinks you built to the site not being viable anymore, just gone. If the answer for this stuff is yes, then you can absolutely still do this stuff. If the answer for that is no, like for example, if you're working on clients or you're like me and you like to build big things that you can sell for really high multiples later, then I would highly, highly, highly suggest uh, editing your AI content quite a bit. That being said, I still use AI to at least start writing most of my articles. The thing is, though, then there's a lot of editing that goes into that. But I feel like AI is a great starting point. It just helps get a lot of like the just really generic kind of stuff in there that you um, need to put in there that you might not think about. So it's really good at like getting these like ideas out, right? Um, or you could even like, but then you can use AI to like give you like more suggestions, like, hey, here's my article, here's this paragraph. I want like more things, like give me a bullet point list of more things to include in this article, this section or whatever. So like I feel like AI is like super good for like AI ideas and stuff. And yeah, I do like using it as a starting point, but I'm heavily editing for EAT. And what I mean by that is the first two E's, like the EE, which is expertise and experience. So for experience, editing, I'm basically editing like first-hand experience. If I'm writing an article on Sir Links-a-Lot, you'll see in every article I write on Sir Links-a-Lot, I'm talking about, throughout the entire article, not just at the top or something. I'm talking about when I did this or when we did this at our agency. There was a situation with this client where this happened. I'm actually adding in all this like firsthand experience in there with actually on that topic. And then expertise, you're demonstrating why you're worthy to be talking about the topic, which is um, quite easy. It's like, just mentioning that I'm Chris and I have a link building agency. I've been doing this for 10 years. You're stating why people should listen to you essentially. And then I'm editing for information gain, which is basically making sure your article has people could call them entities, but you can just say nouns has entities in their article that other articles don't have. So if we're making an article about link building services and no other article that's ranking for link building services, or most of them don't mention the term like niche edits or link insertions or something, that could be something, I'm basically just making sure I'm adding in a bunch of stuff that I think these other articles might not have. And it's not just entities, it's also like attributes. So for example, you have the sentence, niche edits are good. So good is the attribute of niche edits. So if you have a bunch of different entities and different attributes for those things, your article will be seen as unique by Google. They have a patent on this stuff. Um, this is what I'm editing for heavily. It's hard to automate. It's hard to do it like very well. But you can use like ChatGPT still for like ideation and stuff. But a lot of it is like giving authors, or if you're writing yourself, like taking like some creative liberty and just like trying to, yeah, actually like do this stuff like right, or yeah, take some creative liberty. But yeah, the AI content can definitely still work. And I know there's even AI sites that are like copy and pasted, right? That are still working quite well. So, I can't really say nothing's never not working. Everything can only work. So it's just how long is it going to work for until your site gets popped. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.